Everybody, I had a great question come to me about how to assign and how to for students to see and for you to see. When you come to resources, you can click on, like I said, I'll do first grade and I'll do myself because, well, it's me. And I will assign myself one of the activities that we're doing today in class so you can see it. We'll do building math since I printed that off earlier. This is what you would do and how it would look, and I'll go to my student version so you can see that. So I'm going to assign it. I'm going to have it assigned today, and then I'm going to assign it for Friday. Then I come up here, and I'm going to assign it just to myself and not my class. You can see I can assign it to my class or myself or a specific student. So now when I go to Classroom as a student, which is what I'm going to do now, I'm going to come up here to Classroom as a student. And when I come up here, what I do is it will show up on my classwork. So I'll click on it. And it will take me there. Now, the other thing is assignments. You can click on assignments, and you can see keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Obviously, have not been doing too good of a job on this. But what you can do is that when they are done, they can review what they got right and what they got wrong. And then you can also see it. If you come to yours, I'm going to come to mine, and I'm going to come to my classes. I'm going to come to page. And I can see 5 out of 10 completed. And I can check on here, do a quick look at the quick check. And what it shows me is 5 completed, 4 in progress, and then view details. And I can see, okay, these guys are all in progress. Ooh, my students, some of them did very good. So I can look at how they did. And you can review what they missed. And my class did this on their own, so that's why we didn't get us. And you can see, and you can view the question to see exactly what you need to work on with your students. And for first grade, we have these little, or they can listen to it. He got this one wrong. And so we can go back through and we can talk about big rocks and small rocks, write the addition equation, and have him listen to this again. That's how you assign from the other way, since we don't have the. But I will also link in the video for how to assign from when you have that one toolbar that I like to use.